Hi, good day everybody. Okay, what we got here, it's a new project. This is called FFT wave, which are used to analyze faulty machine and are also used to analyze quality control system, to check your quality control system if there is no need on any maintenance of various machines. But it's also used to record music and to look for different type of notes, okay? Which I found it very nice if you want to record music. And I think it's probably, in a way, it's better because the waves are curved. It depends on how you, with a potentiometer, how you set it up. The waves are curved because the bars are basically, each bar has his own frequency, and it picks up the frequency and in each different bars, okay? So, and it's this is the same system. It's called frequency analyzer, okay? Or frequency spectral analyzer. All right, so here are the code. Okay, usual code. It's a algorithm library. You need a library for the OLED. We have the pin number of the sound sensor. Okay. And then we have obviously the text that we use, like in this case FFT audio processing when it starts. The sound pin here is obviously analyzed between the V real, okay? The V real is store the actual signal value, okay? And the VI mag, it's an imaginary signal. These two together, with formula will produce the expected sound. And there it is. It's perform FFT, V real, V mag samples. Okay, and down here we have the formula. There we are. Okay, I will put an explanation of how it works on the YouTube channel, okay, like I do all the time, and that's it. There's not much to say, but you can adjust it with the pot on your sensor if you have. Otherwise, you can put an external pot to adjust the frequency. You can change the speed as well of the frequency by here. There, you can use 500. In this case, I'm using 300. We're trying to change it to. Yeah, sorry. You can put 1,000, 500. You can try an error. Try from 1,000 to 800 to 600 to maybe 400 and see how it works. And then you adjust it, because this is the same principle. And then you can adjust it on the pot. Okay. Practically, it adjusts the frequency. Okay. And the magnitude. And the bar height. Okay, so if you want to see the bar height, sometimes you prefer the bar height that doesn't, you don't want to get that white screen. You want to get the bars. And also the bars does nice curve. So, because if you adjust it to a point where you get completely white screen, it's, it's not... So the best is to put the bars as low as possible, so not to get the white screen, I think. Might be wrong. Okay, so I don't think there is much to say here, except trying to adjust. You see, this is when you get white. You want the bar much lower. Hello, hello, and you see I don't want it like that. Like, maybe like this, but it doesn't work, so you got to a little bit more. Okay, so now it works, but it's, as I said, you can bring the bars down. Maybe, let's try. Make it 500. Wonder what would happen if I make it 200. Then the bar, all the bars gonna go down, eh? Well, let's try. Gonna see. Just see how it. It's a bit slow, but I still think this is probably the best. This was 300, I think. Now I brought it down to 200. And I was going to make it 500, but that's too high. So let's see what it looks like now. Can't move too much because I get, I'm recording, so I don't want the screen to stop. And this is what it's going to look like. It's a FFT audio wave. Okay, so now it's much faster. Okay, I got a problem with this screwdriver. It doesn't take anything. It's too small. I have to take this old. Okay, hello, 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 hello. Almost there, but yeah, maybe it's, yeah. You see, not nice. I don't like when it gets too. I still think the best is 500. Well, I might be wrong. 200 is too fast, and the bars are too high. Okay, don't know why. It's 500. I still think a 300 that I had it earlier on is probably the best. Let's check this one more time. See what the wave looks like. Hello, hello, hello. See, that's when it's like that. Yeah, you just have to adjust it. But there is a lot of tweak that you can play around to make the bars larger. So let's have a look now. Okay, there we are. Audio processing, FFT. I think this is the best. Hello? That's too loud. Okay, so we leave them like that. You can get very close. Hello? Hello, hello? Hello? It don't seem to... Hello? Hello? Okay, maybe like this. Yeah. That's the best I can probably get. Okay, I still think 300 was the best. Any case, guys, thank you very much. This was quite an exercise. Have a good day. Please thumbs up if you like it.